Good morning, everyone. We are here to address you on behalf of Government College Sector 46, Chandigarh. I am Dr. Sumit Gill from Department of English.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Amanpreet Kaur from the Department of Environment Sciences.
So we are here today to inform you about a new initiative that our college has taken up. We are starting with a new channel, which is a podcast channel on YouTube. Uh, it is called DigiHub 46. So, the idea behind this initiative, of course, this is the brainchild of our principal, Professor J.K. Sehgal, the Dean of the college, Mrs. Anuradha Mittal, and the Vice Principal, Professor Sneh Harshinder Sharma. So, we are here to represent, of course, our college and everybody who is going to contribute with knowledge-based content. See, we have a lot of content these days online,
Of
which
course.
is available to all of us. But then the problem that we face, our students and even our teachers face, is that a lot of the information is, I don't know. I mean, there is a lot of doubt around that information, whether that information is authentic or not.
If it's authentic or not, or if it suits their needs.
Yeah.
So, what we here at DigiHub 46 are planning to do is that we create content which meets the needs of our students, faculty, and for people from all walks of life. Here we will be, thinking of talking of varied aspects from mental well-being to the career opportunities to skill development, even nutritional sciences. So we think that every one of us, each one of us has a unique voice. We all have distinct life experiences. We have different stories to tell. That in itself, could help others who are in a similar situation, or who are thinking of doing something on the same lines. How to be prepared for all the challenges and opportunities which come with that.
A classroom
Right.
is a very limited space where we have only a handful of students, and when students are engaged in other activities, let's say youth festival, they are not able to attend those classes where we may be talking about stuff that is important for them as well. So they miss out on that. Of course, they are engaged in other activities, but who is to say that they should miss this if they are doing
If
that?
they are doing that.
When everything is available on online, on YouTube or on Instagram, they can always go back and check
Access
that
it.
content.
Access it at any time according
Yeah.
to their feasibility when they have time. And definitely, I completely agree that in today's time, uh, it is us, the teachers, who have to reach out to the students.
Yeah.
If they are not in the classroom, we have to become, digitally active. We have to become technologically, aligned with their
Yes,
requirements.
yes.
If they are learning something best on Instagram, then why not reach up to their Instagram?
Yeah, why not use that media?
Yes, we have to use
Yeah.
that media. We have to reach out to them.
Perhaps that is not the end of our job, but that we
Yes.
have to find a way to engage students in it. And why just students? Why
Everybody
can't?
else.
Why does a common person who is running a shop, who's running a business, who is not going to college these days, why
Right.
should he not get to know about stuff that is relevant?
True.
And this stuff is relevant. For example, you talk about environment. You have to educate everybody, only then it's going to start making a difference. So it does not end with the student, that we wait for the student to go and do something. Why can't people in general do it? And if our content is available online, everybody, it is for everybody. That's
Yes.
right. That's why uh, Professor Sehgal, our principal, rightly called it a global classroom. Yeah, because when we were brainstorming regarding this, you remember he mentioned in the meeting
Yes.
that let's call it a global classroom,
Global classroom.
so
Yes.
that everybody becomes a stakeholder, everybody does their bit, and everybody gets to know about stuff.
Yes,
So,
why not? I think this will be one of the outreach programs of Postgraduate Government College 46, where we, take a digital pathway to reach the people from different walks of life.
yeah, and I think you're pretty excited about what we are going to be coming up with in
Yes,
in
yes.
future.
We
And
are excited. All
Yeah.
of you should be quite
Yes,
excited
yes.
about it.
So we welcome you here, and we hope that you are as excited as we are, and we are going to make great content together and meaningful content.
True.
So we would like you to spend time watching our content and similar content, of course, because there's a lot available online,
Of course.
rather than watching some random reels of celebrities or anything like that. So
I know. Yeah, you can watch that too, but don't spend lots of time on that. You have lots of meaningful things around. Right.
So I think that's all from us here. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Thank you.